Hey guys, back to this thing again. It's all snowed out and everything, so all snow. This is probably the last time you're gonna see this cold start. This is probably gonna be an extreme cold start. Yeah, it's cold, of course. So this is the last time. All right, so I showed you the routine how to start before, So, um, okay. All right. All right. So here we go. See how many pulls. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go. Oh, it's smoking. Yeah. All right. Well, it started. All right.